been way out there. You see me?
You're getting a little bit.
You just be fighting it or what?
I think he's double hooked and then he's just turning.
He's kind of pulling the string.
How much you got the leg record? River monster here.
Come here. You don't want to know where it's at.
Now about how fast you reel is, but just keep pressure on it. He's such a fighter. You lift him up. He hook good? Yeah, you see how he's double hooked?
It's
So he's
on.
double hooked? Yeah, man, he's just double hooked. There you go. At least it's a keeper.